Alright, there we go. Hood props. Oh God, I love that. I love that. I don't have a stupid rod that I think's gonna break any second holding it up. I used a rake at one point if you watch some of my other videos. This makes me very happy. You have no idea how happy this makes me. This is freaking awesome. Yeah. Baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, what's wrong with the Bronco? I don't know. Let's check. Let's find out. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Oh. If you can, you should do this. This is the best. This is the best. I'm so happy. So this is my homemade kit for gas struts for the hood. I'll put a link for the stuff that I got off of Amazon, and you can check it out there. So basically, let's give you a quick walk around. I haven't done the other side yet because I want to show you how I did that. So I started out with, if you can see that, it's this I just angled a long sheet there to help support the hood because I had to put the strut so far back. And the reason I didn't videotape the first part was because I kept screwing it up, and I knew I was going to screw it up because it was kind of a learning process. But this is the bracket that I got. I made that out of a piece of flat bar steel, and I'll show you all exactly how I did that. There's some interesting things because this is at an angle with the top of the tub there. So I'll show you exactly how I did this. Here, 27. Then the next measurement, I got to figure out how high this is at this point. And it is exactly 5 inches. Okay, so my next key ingredient is, this is the flat bar that I used. And so the extrusion out from the side is 2 inches, 2.5 inches. I'll remeasure that. 2 3/4 inches. So I have to basically go 2 3/4 inches. I can do a little less because the thickness of the metal is going to add to that bend. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Oh, but also wait, there's also an angle that I got to take into account, because that's the angle. It's not a perfect 90-degree angle. Here we go. It's not a perfect 90-degree angle. It's hard to tell on this. I have to make this like this. You can't really tell that line is not perfectly perpendicular, but that's what I want. And I have to go double check and make sure I bend it the right way, because I don't want to bend it the wrong way. Heating it up just to make it a little bit easier to bend. Beautiful. Right there. You can see that. It's like I split the difference. Okay? That long mark, that is the incorrect mark. It's that little short one that I need to go to because... Oh, wait. Yeah. because I need to bend it a little bit shorter. So the total length from here to the bottom edge of this needs to be 5 inches. All right, here you go. Bottom of there. Exactly. Let's go take a look and see how this fits onto the fender. Okay, so the boom, perfect. Very, very happy with that. Next thing I gotta do is drill out 3 holes there, and so she sits flush.